Homeowners looking for bay windows Melville NY often choose designs that add depth, light, and curb appeal in one upgrade. From residential bay windows Melville to custom bay windows near Melville NY, these window systems create a larger feeling interior while improving the exterior style of homes across Melville, Long Island, and Suffolk County. A trusted bay window company, Melville, can help with bay window design, bay window framing, and bay window installation in Melville NY for classic colonials, updated ranch homes, and modern properties near Walt Whitman shops. New bay windows for houses in Melville NY are a practical way to increase natural light in living rooms, dining spaces, and front-facing sitting areas. Energy savings are a major reason many residents invest in energy-efficient bay windows Melville. Insulated bay windows in Melville, Long Island help reduce drafts, improve interior comfort, and support lower heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Energy-efficient bay window installers Melville NY can recommend vinyl bay windows Melville, wood bay windows Melville, or composite styles based on the home's architecture and performance goals. For families seeking modern bay windows for homes in Melville, advanced glass packages and tight seal framing make bay window upgrades Melville especially valuable during cold New York winters and humid summer months. Bay window replacement in Melville, New York often starts with comfort concerns and ends with a major style improvement. Living spaces benefit dramatically from living room bay windows Melville because they open the room and create a natural focal point. Living room bay window installation Melville NY gives homeowners extra floor space for seating, plants, reading nooks, or decorative storage while increasing sunlight and neighborhood views. A professional bay window installer's Melville Suffolk County team can coordinate bay window framing and installation Melville to ensure long-term performance and a clean fit. Whether the goal is modern bay windows Melville or more traditional picture bay windows Melville, local homeowners often choose bay window remodeling Melville to refresh dated interiors and boost resale value in competitive Long Island housing markets. Kitchen upgrades become more functional and more attractive with kitchen bay windows Melville designed for light, ventilation, and visual openness. Kitchen bay window replacement Melville NY is popular in homes where owners want more sunlight above a sink, breakfast space, or herb garden shelf. Bay window contractors Melville can customize overhangs, trim, and glass options to match existing siding, cabinetry, and interior finishes. For home bay window remodeling Melville, New York, the kitchen is one of the most requested spaces because custom bay windows Melville transform ordinary cooking areas into brighter, more welcoming gathering spots. Bay window renovation Melville can also improve exterior symmetry and enhance views of landscape yards and neighborhood streets. When older windows begin to fail, bay window replacement Melville is often the most cost-effective long-term solution. Issues like damaged seals, rot, warping, cracked panes, and poor insulation usually indicate the need for bay window glass replacement Melville or complete vinyl bay window replacement Melville, Long Island. Bay window replacement services in Melville NY are ideal for minor frame issues, trim problems, or isolated hardware damage, while full bay window replacement in Melville, New York is better for widespread deterioration. A local bay window company in Melville NY can inspect the opening, assess structural conditions, and recommend affordable bay windows Melville that improve efficiency, safety, and appearance without compromising the home's character. Style versatility is one of the biggest benefits of choosing custom bay windows Melville for a residential property. Homeowners can select bow and bay windows Melville, picture bay windows Melville, angled projections, or flatter contemporary profiles depending on the home's architecture and personal design goals. Bay window design consultation Melville NY helps determine ideal window proportions, C-board options, glass types, and interior trim details for a polished result. From wood bay window installation, Melville, Suffolk County for classic aesthetics to vinyl bay windows Melville for low-maintenance, bay window specialists Melville can create a tailored solution for nearly any home in Melville, NY. Bay window design Melville should always balance beauty, durability, and energy performance. Exterior appearance improves immediately when homeowners invest in bay window renovation. Melville with high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship. Exterior bay window renovation. Melville Long Island NY often includes new flashing, updated trim, stronger support brackets, weatherproof framing, and coordinated siding integration for a complete transformation. Bay window contractors. Melville understand the importance of proper installation in the Northeast climate, where moisture control and insulation are essential. Bay window framing. Melville must be handled carefully to support the projection and protect the home envelope. Whether the project involves bay window upgrades, Melville New York, or brand new installation, professional service ensures the finished window looks attractive from the street and performs reliably for years. Choosing bay window installation in Melville NY is one of the smartest ways to enhance comfort, beauty, and functionality in a home. From affordable bay windows Melville to luxury custom bay windows Melville, homeowners have options for every budget and design preference. Professional bay window installers. Melville, Suffolk County can manage bay window remodeling. Melville, bay window replacement Melville, bay window replacement Melville, and bay window upgrades Melville, New York, with attention to detail and local expertise. Whether the goal is living room bay windows Melville, kitchen bay windows Melville, or full exterior bay window renovation, Melville Long Island NY, working with a trusted local bay window company in Melville NY helps deliver lasting value for homes throughout Melville NY.